Hey everybody, it's the Shanikwa show today. So first up, we have the tornado pet. Oh, he's all bubbly. So he's going to tell us a little bit of a story here. He was cruising along the streets when he saw a house that needed to be tornado-fied. And he goes, zoom, 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 zoom. And he just twirls and twirls and twirls and twirls and he dies. Goodbye. Ow, that hurt. Okay. Now we have the one of our next guests.
Victims.
Victims, yes. He really does not appreciate being chewed up all the time. I mean, you know, whatever. Stupid cat. Hold on, I know how to get him back. Just give me a second. Oh, just 1 second. There it is.
His legs are letting up.
Here's our next guest. Wearing a quite beautiful style choice today. Yes, here's your ball. We're gonna videotape. We're gonna get him on camera. Ooh, got me good. Playing football. Great shot, Owen. Great shot. You're supposed to go.
I can't get that.
Just go.
We lost him.
Hold on a second here. Just hold. Yeah.
He's like.
Oh, don't. Well, I guess that's all because he's failing today. I don't know what's going into him. Let's try the ball. Ready? Oh, see if you picked it up like a dog. Ready? Okay, dumbass.
I wonder who the dumbass is.
Well, okay, that just brings us right on up to our next guest. I think he ate our next guest. Okay. Here's our
Oh
next
God.
guest. And he's like gonna tell us the story real quick. Oh, and after this, Owen is gonna tell us a story. Owen, and it's over here. Over here, honey. Up here. Come on. Up here. Over here. You know what? Let me grab him. Come to mama.
He's like, you're not my mommy.
Put that way over there.
You're gonna lose.
Owen. He's gonna tell us a story here in a second. Yeah. That I'm I just thought I'd tell you a little story really quick about how I got into this costume. I really don't like it. I mean, I really do not appreciate these people putting me in a sock that I really do not like at all. I mean, it's very. Okay, I'm done telling my story. He's done telling his story, I guess. Any last words, Owen? Yes, I hate you guys. You guys are all beep. What's an appropriate language for a 2-year-old? Or a however old? I think we should go get a famous OG. Is that a good idea? Yeah? No?
I don't know if he's inside.
Yes, he is.
Okay, go get OG.
I think I'll be right back, y'all. Have fun with the brat. The brat. Go to the camera.
Hi, baby. No, stay. Nope, stay. Oh, poor kitty. Oh, the big guy.
And I'm back. Where's my microphone?
Here's your microphone.
Could you all hand me my food?
You gotta talk like a
this is
gangster.
OG. It was good, my friend. I'm the OG. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna take a little rap for y'all. I'm the OG. What, bitch? Yeah, I said I'm the OG. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. You wish you was me. Ooh, ooh. That's all I got right now. Haven't finished yet. But, if you'd like to hit me up on YouTube. My thing is brand flaky boo boo. Deuces, y'all.
Hi, OG.
Back to the tornado in a bottle. Hey, I really don't appreciate what you did to me earlier. You shouldn't have tossed me like that. Well, fuck you too! Okay. We have Owen's. Where'd it go?
Oh, shit gonna go down.
Shit's about to go down, bitches. Ooh, it's gonna go down. We forgot to put Owen in his costume.
Oh, his leopard costume? No, he's a leopard costume.
Oh.
I don't know where it is. I wouldn't really put him in it, though. He hasn't been too happy since Owen came home.
I'm not too happy with him either. Oh, Jesus tried to eat me. So don't forget to follow him or subscribe to him on YouTube. Follow him on Instagram. It's I love Julie with the underspaces between. I think I need a bandage. Gotta go. Shanikwa loves you.